Everyone is looking for fast, easy ways to make better meals for their families, and our quick prep food grater can help you do just that. It makes it so easy to prep a bunch of produce for meals throughout the week, or to make enough food to serve a crowd, and make meals better by bulking them up with veggies. It comes with 3 blades: a fine grater, a coarse grater, and a slicer. The fine grater is perfect for rice and cauliflower or grating Parmesan cheese or chocolate. Then use the coarse grater for things like cheddar cheese, zucchini, and sweet potatoes. And then use the slicer for potatoes or cabbage or cucumbers, anytime you want to slice a lot of food really fast. So let's set it up. First things first, make sure your counter is clean and dry. Then press down on the grater to make sure the feet are firmly secure onto the counter. I'll use the coarse grating blade because I'm going to grate a block of cheese. You can use a towel to protect your hands while you put the blade in. If you look down the hopper, you'll see the blade attaching. You just line up the narrow end of the blade with the end of the handle, then turn it clockwise to attach it, but don't over tighten it. Next, I'm going to put on this clear shield so all the grated food goes into the container. It also comes with this 2-part food pusher. When I grate bigger foods like cauliflower or cabbage, I'll use both parts put together. When I grate smaller foods like blocks of cheese or carrots or celery, I'll use the insert. The angle of the pusher is designed to guide the food into the blade. I'll use the bottom of the pusher to size the food so I know they'll fit. Then just turn the handle clockwise and apply a light, even pressure. To get the best results, make sure you grate the cheese against the angle of the food pusher and flip the cheese halfway through. It just takes seconds to grate a whole block of cheese. When you're done grating, you can remove the shield, then take the blade off by holding the blade with a towel and turning the handle counterclockwise. If you're slicing carrots, you'll use the slicing blade. Make sure to put the large end first and then rotate quickly. The storage container holds 15 cups of food, so it's really easy to prep big batches. And your favorite bowls will also fit under the blade. The container, blades, food pusher, and shield go right into the dishwasher. Once they're clean and dry, you can put the smaller pieces into the container for storage, and you can even separate the body and base to save more room in your cabinets. Now that you see how quickly it can prep food, I know you'll love this grater as much as I do. You'll find so many ways to prepare meals for your family.